Rich Tehrani here with TMC. Thanks for watching. I'm speaking with Laurence Alexander. He is with Tektronix Communications. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. I'm pleased to be here.
Likewise, glad to have you. Last time we talked was Mobile World Congress. It was about a year and 2 months ago, and you discussed this grand strategy, which I wrote up in my blog.
Yeah.
And I'm excited now to hear what's new, what's happening at this show.
So we've rolled it out. We continue to roll out across the globe to all of our customers. I think we're about 160 customers now around the world, all the tier ones. We've been focusing around our 4D strategy. We've announced that we've become a telecoms intelligence provider. That means we're looking at everything from the core through to the business and operations. 4D for us means we start with the network, and then we look at the technology behind the network, and then we look what the subscribers are doing, what services are using, and then look at the subscribers themselves and help the network operators understand who's doing what and how they're doing it and where they are. And in this big data world, which is mind-blowing at the moment.
So big data has really helped evolve your business then, right?
Absolutely. I mean, we've been in the big data business for a long time. Without even realizing it, we carry petabytes of data daily. For us, it's around helping operators understand what to do with that. And we announced with the TM Forum last week that we're actually doing a study to do some standardization around big data. What does big data mean for the mobile network operators? And from that, we're going to give them a playbook to determine how to operate within that sphere.
Now, do you think this will be helpful in terms of allowing operators to determine best practices?
Absolutely, and also better usage, better understanding. Trouble is, there's so much data around at the moment. What do they do? How do they monitor it? Then monitor it 24/7. You know, do they take a cut and dice of it? So we're understanding that, but set some standards around what does big data mean. It's a big buzzword in the industry.
So as your company has evolved, what is it that you think operators should be aware of that maybe they're not aware of about your company?
For us, it's about scale. I don't think anyone monitors the amount of data we do across the world. We go deep into network, so our knowledge from the network, from hard probing to soft probing. We've announced a product called GSoft RAM, which is all around soft probing. So understand what goes on the network, and then the analytics on the top. So make decisions quicker, real time, and we're making proactive decisions.
Can you give us some real-world examples, or at least one, of just how that's helped your customers?
Yeah, so if you take Care, for example, when the network operators are launching their iPhones around the world, obviously, which is a big issue, whether it be iPad, iPhone, we see those coming onto the network. We can see where the hotspots are, where they're not connecting. We can proactively tell them. So when someone phones into Care, we can advise the care agents, actually, we can solve your problem, but actually you realise you've got 2 or 3 other problems. It might be something wrong with your settings. We'll send them proactively to the settings. It's all about making the customer a better experience.
So reducing churn and just keeping them happy.
Yeah, reducing churn. Also understanding the revenues. So we want to help the operators increase their revenues, reduce their churn. For us, that means understand the consumer better. What we try and do, and then work with the operators in making quick decisions for them. So are you on the right package? Mobile operators today are video distribution companies. 6% of their traffic is video distribution. So understanding that, we've got a couple of products that looks at video, looks at conversational video, and looks at distribution video, and then how can we help them understand that better? And maybe put different pricing plans for them, so the operators really understand their customers better.
So really, I mean, it sounds like you've become a big data consultant to some degree, where you're helping to analyze and give suggestions.
We're looking at, because of our scale in the network and looking at what we do, we're turning that moving that into the different operations, like the business guys, into the CTO, the CIO, the marketing people to understand. So but that can only take place because we understand the core.
So what else should your potential customers know about you?
We've launched 7 new products at the show this week, so from core products like GSoft RAM all the way through. We're looking at diameter, we've got Care, we've got something called CAM, which is corporate account management, how to deal with their corporate accounts. So yeah, there's lots for us, so come to the show and come and see us.
Thanks so much. Now, if someone didn't make it to the show, how do they find you online? What's the best place for them to go?
Techcoms.com. All the information's there.
Thanks for your time.
All right, thank you very much.